East Midlands Airport is the busiest pure freight cargo airport in the United Kingdom, and there are thousands of British businesses using air freight to send everything from heavy machinery to tiny components to customers all around the world. We went to Loughborough to meet one company that's making a great success of exporting by air. Loughborough-based Morningside Pharmaceutical started out providing medicines for diseases such as malaria, TB, HIV and cancer to medical facilities in the developing world.
But we saw a very nice niche, we believed at that time, that there was a need for very high quality medicines in developing countries. And of course we were in the UK, we had that quality standard. And really the whole business has been built on brand UK and the quality standards of the UK market.
Morningside now also supplies markets in the UK and Europe. But Dr. Nick Kotecha says doing business in the developing world is actually easier than doing business closer to home.
I've always found it quite easy to actually work in those markets compared to maybe working in the UK where the volume can be a lot higher, but of course there's price pressure as well on that, and maybe payment terms are much more aggressive compared to some of the other countries.
Morningside's medicines are high value, low bulk and are often needed in remote locations. Many of their shipments go through East Midlands Airport, which is just 20 minutes away from their facility.
Air freight, of course, for logistics is the best way to do it. Here we can go Loughborough to places like Harare, for example, which is inland within 3 days or 2 days, which normally would take us in a container, sometimes 45-50 days.
Although air freight may be more expensive for some shipments, it means that Morningside might get paid 45 to 50 days earlier, which can dramatically improve cash flow. Dr. Kotecha has this advice for other businesses who are considering getting into export.
Firstly, I would say do it. I have a passion for exporting. I think it's a lot easier to do export, and I believe in developing countries rather than even the UK. There's a lot of help around where with lots of different organisations use them. They are very, very good.
If you would like to find out more about how your business could grow through air freight exporting, email ema@ukexportadvice.co.uk and we'll send you a short guide on how to begin your own international success story.